Hi, this is Meanne Mayelle Bermudo, and in this video, I'm going to talk about my contributions on a research paper about comparative study of magnetized water, rice water, and rainwater on the seed germination time of an eggplant seed. Now let us start with the chapter 1. My contributions are the research gap and the scope and the limitations. So in the research gap, why is our research important? While many studies have analyzed alternative water treatments, there is still a lack of comparative research focusing on magnetized water, rice water, and rainwater, specifically on eggplant seeds. Existing studies often examines only one treatment at a time for different plant species, making it difficult to determine the best approach for crops with longer germination periods. This study aims to bridge that gap by conducting a comparative analysis of these three water treatments. On the scope and the limitations, to ensure accurate results, this study is conducted under a controlled laboratory conditions, factoring in temperature, humidity, and light exposure. The research is limited to a single variety of eggplant seeds to maintain uniformity, meaning the findings may not directly apply to other plant species or outdoor conditions without further testing. However, this controlled setting allows for precise comparisons between the different water treatments. Now, in the chapter 2, I contributed on one of the RRLs on why rainwater. So, rainwater is often considered an ideal water source due to its natural purity, free from chlorine and chemical additives found in treated water. However, previous studies suggest that its effectiveness on seed germination can vary depending on environmental factors such as temperature, pollution levels, and pH balance. In the chapter 4, I contributed on the research design. So this study uses an experimental research design to analyze the effects of different water treatment. A completely randomized design, or CRD, ensures that each treatment is randomly assigned to an experimental tray to minimize biases. So a control group using tap water is also included to serve as a baseline. And this approach helps determine whether alternative water treatment significantly impacts seed germination compared to regular tap water. And those are my contributions on the research. Now, this is the end of my video. Thank you and have a good day, Ma'am Ong.